So, what is this sound? Kokak. Kokak.
A frog.
So, what's the sound of your frog?
Rabbit, rabbit.
So, what did you ask me a while ago?
It's not your frog, it's my frog.
So-
Rabbit, rabbit.
How about my kokak? Kokak. Huh? Is it a different sound? Huh? It's the sound of frog in the Philippines. Yes. Yes. When we will be in the Philippines, I'll tell you. I will let the kokak sound. Kokak, 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 like that.
And ours is rabbit, rabbit, rabbit.
How do you know it's rabbit? You never even saw frog yet.
I saw it in the video on my here.
Oh, you're too near. Rabbit, kokak, 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 kokak. Ganon. Day, it was kokak. Kokak, kokak, kokak. So what's that sound, kokak? Kokak. Brrr. What's this sound? Tutulok. What's that sound?
A rabbit.
No. What sound is this? From which animal? Tutulok.
Huh?
Huh? You don't know. Shame on you. No?
Yes.
Tutulok.
Chicken.
It's a rooster.
I don't know.
So what's the sound of your rooster? Narrow.
That is a rooster.
Say quack 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 quack. What's that sound? What's that sound coming from? Quack 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 quack. What's that sound? What's that sound? What's that sound? You don't know also? Huh? That's duck. Why? What's the sound of the duck? Huh? What's the sound of the duck? What's the sound of the duck? Huh? What's the sound of the duck? Oh my God, you don't know? How about ow, 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 ow? What's the sound?
Owl.
No!
Yes.
It's dog!
Not rough, rough.
That's the sound of the dog in my country.
In your country.
Ow, ow, ow! Oh, and yours? It's
I
same.
want to buy a dog.
It's same.
Mommy, I want to buy a dog.
How do you call cats? No! How do you call the cats to come?
Pusa.
Yeah, I know. But how do you call the cats when you want them to come to you?
Lap, 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 lap.
How you call Mama Gray?
Mama, great.
I know.
Yes.
When you don't know their name, huh?
They were a baby.
Yeah, but when you don't know their name, how do you call them? When the cats on the street, how you call them?
Mama, great.
No.
Call them Pusa.
No. How about in French? How do you call cat?
No dog.
Cat.
Chaka.
Do you know how we call the cats in the Philippines? How?
We don't know.
It's like I'm calling you Pipi. Ay naku, you don't know. How about the dog? How we call the dog? No.
Yeah, we need her treats.
No.
Yes, they come at night with treats.
No, you know how to call the dog? Like that. Chuhada. Chuhada you, madam.
And what's a squirrel?
How you call the squirrel?
You love, huh?
Remember, you let me ride the horse instead of you because you was scared. I'm scared.
Last time I went in the games, I ride a giant horse.
No?
I'm not scared.
Yeah, but the real horse, you was scared.
I'll not be scared of them. I'm bigger.
Big girl.
Look at big muscles.
Muscle where?
Hello.
Oh my god! Muscle your face. So, what's the sound of the dog? In the Philippines.
No.
No, that's not the sound of the dog in the Philippines.
Yes.
It's ow ow.
No.
Ow ow ow.
It looks like an owl.
No, what owl? Tanga ka talaga.
Mommy, Pokey opened the window by himself.
Yeah, he's a big cat. See? Poki! 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 Why so beautiful?
Because Mommy's like a cat.
Ah! You're so naughty, you. So tell me why you're so beautiful. Tell me why you are beautiful, huh? Tell me. Huh? Okay. Why you are so beautiful?
Because you're a cat.
Ah, so you are a cat too. So tell me, how much I love you?
Because you're a cat.
How much I love you?
A cat.
How much I love you? Okay, I love you so much. Do you think how much I love you?
Yeah,
How much?
a kitten.
Ikaw. Wrong answer. Now tell me, why you are so beautiful?
Because you're a cat.
Tell me now.
Because you're a
1,
cat.
2, 3, 4. Ouch! You say bye-bye. Thank you for watching my channel. Say it.
I don't have a channel.
You have a channel?
No.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna remove that channel. You're not gonna have channel anymore.
I wanna have a channel.
Okay. Say it. Thank you for watching my channel.
Thank you for watching my video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
For my video.
Kiss. Give a kiss to every one of them. Okay, now I will tell to Kuya to have a girlfriend.
Nah.